Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're back for more Discord Nitro early access stuff that's just starting to get rolled out. And one of the things is some limited time edition, like Halloween decorations that go around your profile picture. So you got like an animated cat and some ghosts or evil little spooky minions. But the new thing that's coming out starting the last couple of days has been the fact that you can get animated effects that will appear on your profile card. When you click on your profile, these different animations will play. These are things like, you know, the spooky slime monster. And there's some in every one of these major categories. They got like an animated frog. They've got some leaves. And again, I think these are cute and all, but like asking me to pay $8, the price of like a game on sale on Steam in a lot of cases anymore, seems a lot for a 2-second animation, honestly. Especially if they want people to buy them in large volume. Like, these are kind of expensive for what they give you. Like a cutesy little animation that maybe someone will look at twice. And there's some in every category for like anime and fantasy and everything. And they're kind of cool. But they also, considering we're already paying for Nitro, they don't even have a basic set of them available for you to use and unlock. Like how down here at the bottom, this Discord stuff that they released before, Disc Core, I guess is what they're calling it, they don't have a free set of them available for these effects either. They only have a couple of these profile like icon decorations available that they had before. So I think it's kind of cool, but it's kind of expensive for what it is. So check those out for yourselves. If you want to look at what they look like, you can click on the eyeball. And basically when you first open up your profile, it'll play this animation over top of everything. So, I mean, it's neat, but I don't know if it's, like, neat enough for me to spend $10 on a single animation for my profile. So you can find those in the shop section here, above all of your direct messages, or if you go into your user settings and you go to profile, here under profile, they've got the new profile effects. And currently I don't have any unlocked because I decided not to pay for them. And then it'll just take you back to the same shop that shows you all of the other stuff that you were looking at before. Now, it's worth noting right now that if you go up into the Nitro section, these are things that are being slowly unveiled. There's still a new third thing that's coming out. I'm guessing there's another category of decoration that we haven't considered yet that you'll be able to buy soon. So I guess stay tuned. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how you buy and equip profile effects on Discord. They're kind of neat, but they're also kind of expensive. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.